What's wonderful about this world is that everyone is different. And that's what makes you so amazing, is that you're different from everyone else. No two living creatures are alike. We are all rare and precious treasures in this universe. You are meant to be in this world because you were individually created. Simple as that. You are a beautiful and ingenious creation. Think of all the remarkable functions that your body and mind can do every second. It's just magnificent, and you're just wonderful. Your whole being is fabulous, from the very top of your head to the little freckle on your face, right down to the very tips of your toes. The universe spent many hours of time and thought into making up every single cell of your entire wonderful being. Your vital organs that function perfectly every day. Your brain, nerves, and legs that move you from place to place. The hundreds of emotions that allow you to experience love, happiness, joy, and contentment. And let's not forget your remarkable senses that give you the opportunity to see, hear, taste, touch, and smell. Every minute detail of your being was created in a certain